If you are searching for a method to make some good income online, then you are in the right video. Just smash the like button, and in this video I'm going to reveal to you a strategy from which you can make good money online again and again and again. And this is something which is really awesome. The best thing is that it works worldwide and you can do this from any corner of the world. All you need to do is have one skill, and that skill is of copying and pasting. All you need to know is press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and you could be making some good income online with this strategy. As well as in the end of the video, I am going to suggest you one of the bot which is absolutely available for free and which you can utilize to make this money and automate this income for yourself, so that you can be doing this again and again and making a ton of money out of it. And that's something which is would be really awesome for you, and you can be making some real income with this. Okay, so definitely smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's jump into our awesome content. Guys, now we are into our computer screen, and this is going to be a 5-step process. Step 1 is going to be, you just need to go to this website which is known as plr.com, and you need to find copyright free articles. Okay, this is the step 1 which you need to do. So we have found one copyright free articles which we are going to utilize for the strategy. Okay, so you can see this is a very good PLR article which we have found. PLR means private label rights article. That means that you can use this article again for your own website or any other purpose. Okay, so you won't have any copyright problem with this paragraph, so you can just get an article over here on this website. So this is the first step. Step 1 completed. Now we are jumping to step 2. Okay, now this is also something which is really interesting, and in the intro of the video I told you about a bot, so you have to utilize this bot for doing this stuff. Okay, so now let's go to step number 2, which is utilizing the bot. Okay, bot is not going to make you money, but you have to utilize it, okay, to make the money. So just let's jump to the step 2. So step 1 is going to be, you just found the article. Step 2 is going to be, you just need to copy a part of this article. Okay, so we just copied this part of this article. Now you need to go to this website which is known as quillbot.com. now this is a website where you can paraphrase your article. That means that it converts your article or rewrites your article. Okay, so we are just pasting this over here, and you can see that you can now rewrite this article over here. Okay, and it is very simple. Okay, it needs to be 400 characters. Okay, so you can just copy 400 once and then 400 for another. In this way you could be just recreating an entire article. Okay, so we will be just doing this, and you can just click over here. Okay, so just paste 400 articles and that's it. Okay, so now you can just click on this paraphrase. Okay, and then you can just create and you can see that this article will be rewritten over here for you. So you can see here this article is being rewritten for you, and you have rewritten this article. Okay, so this is very simple and very easy. You can just check this and you can just take it to maximum. Okay, do this as much as possible. Okay, so that now you have got this article which has been rewritten. Okay, so you can see this article has been rewritten. In this way you can rewrite many of the articles, and you can find all those articles on this website in any category or any niche, that is plr.com, or you can utilize any other website just like this, where you can find a lot of articles related to many different categories or subjects or topics. Okay, so this is the step 1, and this is the step 2, which is you just need to come to this website quillbot.com and rephrase your article or rewrite your article utilizing this bot. Okay, and the thing is that it does the best work. Okay, so now that is done. Step 2 has been completed. Now we are going to step 3. Now this is important if you are wanting to make money. Okay, let me show you some of the people who are already making money with this strategy. So you can see all these people are working at this website which is known as clearvoice.com, and what they are doing is that they are writing for this website. Now I have shown you the method that you don't need to write the articles yourself, you just need to rephrase and rewrite those articles using the bot which I told you. So you can just come over here and you can just join this website, and all these people are getting paid, okay, for doing this stuff. And let me show you what type of articles these people are writing, and that is also very important because you need to get some idea of what type of articles you need to paraphrase or recreate for this and make money, okay. So you can see this is one of the person whose account we have opened, and you can see that they are writing this type of articles like how much does it cost to create an application, 5 ways hackers are targeting vacationers, do you really want how much app development project, all this type of articles people are writing, okay. You can write it yourself, which takes a lot of time, or you can utilize this strategy where you are having one of the article, and then what you are doing is that rewriting that article with the help of this bot which we utilized, and then you can just come over here, and what you can do is that you can just upload articles to this, and people will come to this website and they will hire you as a content writer for your website, and they are going to pay you money for that, and that is something which is really awesome. And you can do the same process for your clients, and in this way you could be making some extra income with this very simple website, okay. So all you need to do is you just need to go over here and you just need to create a CV for yourself, okay. That is really something like a job application that is known as a CV. So you can just go over here, you can click on this create my CV, and you just need to provide all the information, and you just need to provide your name, your last name, and a small password and login ID, okay. That's it, and then you are ready to go with this content writing platform, and people will be there who will be hiring you to write their articles for over here, and you will be paid for that. And the thing is that you could be really getting some good money out of this, because on Fiverr or any other freelancing platforms there is a lot of competition. So we have just clicked on this clear voice, and let's see how much traffic this gets every single month. So you can see it gets a ton of traffic, okay. And the thing is that more than 500,000 people are visiting this website every single month. So there is a huge client base which you can just get with this website, and that is really awesome. Definitely you should go over here and start making some income online, because this is something which you can do. You don't need to write the articles yourself, you can just recreate all the articles and start earning money with this. And this is definitely something which works worldwide, and you could be making some good amount of money. So if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, so that you will get notified every time we come up with this type of awesome videos, so that you could be making some good income online. We'll see you in the next video, and stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.